So after identifying those potential losses, we'll measure them, their size. For example, losing $50, the amount just 50, that says 50 is represent its size. The other one is a probability. After analyzing its size, we can look at how much probable to lose $50. Frequency, how many times we lose $50. Severity, what it means that $50 to us, for us. So remember that when I mean a potential, it is something that might happen. So these are risk measurement tools. We use probability that these are useful in estimating the probability that the business will suffer a specified number of accidents during the next year. We can use the binomial theory, normal Poisson distribution, such other things. So as we have said, we have identified the risk, estimated the frequency, size, probability, severity. Then after that, we will find the best economic way to solve it, which is managing risks. After measuring the risk manager's decision could be 1. An avoidance. Avoidance is not to engage in the activity at all. It has its own pros and cons. The advantage is it prevents the risk at 100% level. Its disadvantages, you cannot hide from every risks. You cannot hide. It's not possible to hide from every risk. If you did, there might be any other things or good things that you might lose from doing this. The risk avoidance includes abandonment and refusal. So abandonment means stopping the previous activity that we have been doing until now. So after we realized that it has a risk, we will completely stop to do it. Refusing means refusing not to start a new activity. It's not what previously we have doing, but we have an opportunity to start a new thing, but we are afraid of the risk, so we will avoid it by not starting the activity, or by stopping what we have doing. Both are the types of the avoidance technique. So avoidance is one risk managing tool. The other one is retention. Retention is dealing with the risk on. It's to deal with the risk on your own. So this is somehow facing and accepting what it's facing and accepting everything that comes. Somehow like a principle, face your fears. So why do we choose this? We choose this in scenarios where. So we choose this when the risk or the probability of